Hey guys, welcome back. So today we got 2021 Kona EV. Customer complaint with multiple warning lights, and as per the work order, ABS light, traction light. So I got this vehicle. There's no warning lights here, and I just finished our full system scan. We got some codes here for right front wheel speed, no signal. Our front camera is flagging that. So, and even our blind spot is flagging that there's no signal at all. It's in history, there's no available freeze frame. So what we can do is we can go to the data analysis right now, and let's see our ABS, grab our wheel speed sensor and see what we have there. But as I was grabbing this car out of the parking lot, I was driving around and I hear some, oh, I just saw that. But anyway, I just saw, I no, not saw, but I heard like a rubbing noise or a grinding noise. But let's see. So what we're gonna do is let's put our vehicle speed, wheel speed. Our concern is right front. As for the DTC, and let's graph that, and I guess we can go drive around and see if we see any dropouts. Alright guys, so we're outside right now. I took my other scan tool here because the other one, someone is trying to use it. So I'm graphing all the wheel speed sensor, right? We can see here right now, I'm just in the on the outside of the, what do you call that, the, what do you call it, our shop. And as you can see, there are dropouts there, right? And the rest are all the same. You can see that. But we can go ahead, and that happens when I was turning. So let's see, because I'm going outside right now on the street, and then I will let you hear that noise that I'm hearing. I don't know if you guys can hear that. And every time it drops, as you can see here, it drops there, that signal. The vehicle always like jolting, right, back and forth, because I think it's thinking that we got a sleeping tire. So let's see, right now it's traffic. It's almost time to go home. 5 minutes 45 right now, 4:55. Just check quickly on the history in this one. They just replaced the left side wheel bearing on this one, and by the way, it has 325,141 kilometers. So this is my first time to see Kona EV more than 300,000. Even more than 100,000. And let's see and how this setup, because some of the wheel bearings, the trigger for the signal on our speed sensor is in the bearing itself. It's not in the drive shaft, right? So let's see how's the setup on this one. But the way I see it, when it drops out while turning, the trigger for the speed sensor is in the hub itself, or the wheel bearing. So let's see, I'm gonna turn right here. Okay, no, nothing there. I don't know if you guys can hear that right now. That's loud. So I think if I'm on a turning left scenario, that's the time it drops out, because turning right doesn't do anything. Okay, so I'm right now turning right. Sunny. Okay. So far, the data right now, the scan tool, there's no dropouts there, but it's driving noisy. Okay, there, I just saw a drop there on our signal on our right front. If you guys can see that in there, that one, it happened again because it's jolting right now. There, what happened there now? It's jolting. Okay, here we're gonna turn left right now. Let's see. Okay, that drops there. No drop. Okay, there's no drop there when turning left. Okay, there. My ABS just kicks in, and you see that drop there. So let's go back to the shop. I'm gonna show you guys clearly when we get inside the shop, our scan tool, our data that drops, and then let's inspect our wheel bearing. Okay, so we're back in the shop right now. So let's just do a playback. I'm just putting our data right now: vehicle speed, front left speed sensor, and right front. Right front, left front. Okay, so this is wrong. We're left front and right front. Okay, so we're just comparing. Let's see here. Drop out. There you go. It's a purple one. That's our right front. As you can see there, that there's some drop there. There's a lot of drops there compared to our left front, the orange one. I don't know how to. Okay, so that's our blue. Okay. Let's remove that. Remove this. Let's see this guy. There you go. Let's drop again there. Drop. So clearly we got some issue there, and I don't think that's a sensor issue accompanied with the noise. So let's lift this vehicle up and let's just see how is that set up there, if the trigger wheel is in the drive shaft or on the bearing itself. Okay, so before I was lifting this car up, I just saw that the whole wheel just moved, and it's not supposed to do that. So you can see that's not good. So that's why it's dropping out on our signal, because it's taking out that air gap on our speed sensor, right? I think. But the way it's moving right now, that's not good. Oh my god, that's about to fall off. I don't think that's a wheel nut issue. Yeah, that's the whole hub. That's not good. Okay, let's try removing the wheel and let's just see what's going inside there. What? You doing this tire? What tire? Tire from the GBA. Oh, look at this. Just fall off. What? So that's why it's moving, because nothing is holding there. So I don't know if it's gonna be me working on this one, repairing, because today's Wednesday. So hopefully if we can get the part until Friday, we can do the repair, right? But next week I will be off, so let's hope. But this one, I'm gonna recommend a new drive shaft, a nut, and a bearing in this one, right? Make sure. And I don't think anything is any damage. I think this is the only one. How about our pads? Our brakes is okay. So here's our brakes, and that's 3 mm. So most likely it needs brakes too.
Bring it.
So brakes, bearing, and a drive shaft. So hopefully I'll get the job. If not, someone's gonna be lucky to do the job for next week. Anyway, yeah, that's the cost of the dropout, and for our codes for our wheel speed, no signal, right? So yeah,